These are the Ankbit 600 Pro active noise cancelling headphones by OneMe. Even though they are super budget friendly, they produce a massive sound. Thanks to the 40mm drivers paired with the newest aptX, AAC, SBC codecs to bring you OneMe's signature sound of deep and low bass with clear mids and crisp highs. They have a great battery life as well. They offer up to 45 hours of noise reduction, and on top of that they look amazing. So the Ankbit 600 Pro is a fashion piece with a minimalistic design. So if you want to get into the world of active noise cancelling with a great pair of headphones, then this is the video for you. Got the new drip from OneMe, the Ankbit 600 Pro. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. And now let's check it out. So here we have the box. First of all, let's get rid of the wrap. And there we go. So we have the front right here. We have the back with lots and lots of details. This on the side, same as on the other side, as well as on the top. And we have this on the bottom. So let's open it up and pull it out. We have this on the bottom. And then here we have the tray with the cover. And here we go. This we can remove. Here we have the cables and the headphones. And that's it. So let's get straight to the accessories. So we have the carrying pouch right there. That's a smooth leather, really nice. And the closing strap, nice pouch. And then we also get two cables. That is actually a really nicely sleeved USB-A to USB-C cable right here. Great quality. And we also, oh nice, we have a USB-C to aux cable as well. That's great to see. And here we have the paperwork. Yo, that is huge. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So that's actually pretty cool. Nice graphics, detailed and awesome. So to recap, the paperwork, the cables and the pouch. Done with the unboxing. Let's get to my first impressions and then of course to a close overview. So here we have the headphones, black and copper, looking really cool. Love the accents. So first of all, we have these protective films, and now check this out. Looks really cool. Love the accents. With the left and right cups, we can pull it out. Very nice. Really soft cups. Nice memory foam. All right, so let's take a close look. Starting from the bottom, basically, we have the cups left, right, and we also have a really soft pad in here. The articulation is from here to here, basically. So they can swivel. Other than that, very flexible. We can also make them longer, quite a lot actually, and also push them back in. And they can also do this. So here we have the cups from the other side. Again, looking really cool. Love the design. Also from this side and from this side. So shiny chrome accents, well it's copper, and that's the top of the headrest. And in here we also have a few details. So lastly we have the side of the cups with the on-off button, pairing of course, volume rocker and also the ANC switch and also the USB-C charging port. Here we can see a microphone hole and that's the other side of the cups. So we have all the controls on the right side. All right, good stuff. And once again, soft memory foam in between the cups, pleasant to wear. Not bad, right? So let's finally test them. Right on right, left on left. Oh, nice. Great seal. Wow, that is sounding so sound deadened. Amazing. So they have a great seal, super comfy, super soft. So first of all, let's hook up the microphones. And for this binaural sound test to work optimally, you will need headphones, good headphones. So with the mics and with glasses, the seal is still quite good, as you can hear, but pressing down will just make it better. So goes without saying that this of course isn't optimal for great noise suppressing, but if you just have glasses, it should be no problem. All right, so let's turn them on. Okay, so E600 Pro on the Bluetooth. Let's pair it up. All right, let's accept. And there we go. Qualcomm aptX HD. Got the memo and now let's see how good it will sound. And they look pretty cool. Check it out. With my favorite song.
We are dreaming in the dark.
So the vocals sound really nice, they sound really crisp and clear, love it. So let's skip forward to the bass segment. Nice. The bass is amazing, wow. And next up, let's try the active noise cancelling. So,
ANC on.
Alright, nice voice. Ooh, wow. That is crazy.
Transparency mode.
Okay, we have the transparency mode. That's, as always, sounds really interesting.
Off.
And we can turn it off once more.
ANC on.
Yeah, and now, check this out. When I just snap. It is so quiet.
ANC off.
So, off.
ANC on.
So when you press down the seal and the seal gets better, the noise suppressing will of course work even better. And now transparency. Oh, it sounds so interesting. Yeah. Wow. Wow, amazing bass, that is crazy. They sound so good, wow. And the noise cancelling, especially for the price point, is top notch. I was not expecting that. There is no app, they just work straight out of the box with the 3 noise cancelling settings, well, off, transparency and active noise cancelling. So that's just a great looking and easy to use pair of headphones. Really cool. So big thumbs up from my side, and now let's get to my conclusion. So as you saw, they look great, and what's more, they also sound great. Even though they are a massive bargain when it gets to the price point, they still have all the newest tech built in, like Bluetooth 5.0, state-of-the-art Bluetooth chipsets for a seamless and stable wireless connection, thanks to the Qualcomm CVC 8.0 technology and the 4 built-in microphones right here. It is designed to improve voice clarity while talking on your phone. So with this you will get super clear calls for you and for your partner. You will get HD sound, high definition sound, deep bass, and that's of course thanks to composite metal drivers with a large 40mm in diameter moving coil composite diaphragm driver using a QCC 3034 chip supporting aptX HD decoding, and all of that basically means minimal distortion and super detailed sound quality. They also offer a super long battery life and quick charging capabilities. We have a 950 mAh battery in here, supporting up to 45 hours of listening in the ANC mode. And you can also connect 2 devices simultaneously. This way you can enjoy music, entertainment, and also take calls on different devices without any issues. It is so handy. And lastly, they also feel really good. They offer a pressure-free comfort thanks to the ultra soft protein leather ear cups with memory foam padding inside that will fit snugly over your ears. The lightweight build also ensures that they are comfortable even for long listening sessions. So all in all, they are definitely trippy. So check out the product links in the description if you're interested. I will list and link the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing TechMagnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy your day and I will see you soon.